don't know. Let me see.
I saw some.
Oh yeah, there's some squirrels or something. Deer right there.
There's a deer right there.
Oh, there's two.
There's three. Whitetails. We're not gonna hurt you. There's something moving around over there. Those are squirrels, I think.
There was skunks in here when we came through here before.
Skunks are nighttime, though.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks slippery. This little bridge.
Yeah. It's a little slippery.
This has been a 3 deer walk so far.
And 3 squirrels.
We got that on film. Pretty good. Animal reels make the thing, right? So we'll make one today of 3 deer in the woods. Hopefully I can zoom in on that.
Yeah.
See, that's why you got to turn that music off. You just got to be a little quiet. In a real woods, those deer would have heard us so far away and they would have been gone. But Livonia, they're not so scared as a real one. Look at somebody's been. What's that?
Yeah.
That's like algae or something.
Yeah.
Lichen. I think it's lichen. Look at right here. You could go over that fence.
Oh,
Right?
yeah, that's
It's pretty low. You could jump that fence and be in the cemetery. I bet you that's where deer jump the fence
probably.
because it's so low. They can probably jump it wherever they want, but there's a squirrel climbing that little tree. Where's that car? Oh, that car's in the cemetery.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Here's another bench.
We'll find antlers
2,
someday.
3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Mommy?
Yeah.
There's an antler?
No.
The thing is, most of them that we see are girls.
Well, it's hard to tell this time here. But yeah, there's not that many boys. But if they're antlers already fell out, we don't really know.
You could probably spray it with something. Shellac it. Look at that little tree with all of its leaves still. I wonder why that is. Hey, there's a deer right under that tree I was talking about. It's laying down.
There, it still has its
Antlers.
so it hasn't lost them yet. Okay.
Let's slowly walk to him.
No.
No?
Oh, okay, go ahead if you want. There's another one all the way in the back.
Maybe he'll lose one. Do you see another deer?
All the way in the back. You see it over there, Marcelo?
Where?
Back there.
To the left of him. Is there one sitting down over there?
Yeah, that's the one we were just talking about. He's sitting down.
He's on the left, sitting down.
I think that
They're both looking at me.
No, they don't go back still.
Hi, Mr. Deer. You got a big tail.
Okay, so maybe we're a little early looking for antlers.
You see this one laying down? I'm walking straight at it. It's hard to see it. There it goes. That's a big boy. Yeah, we'll leave you guys alone. That's a 5 deer we've seen now. The one that got up?
Yeah, I wonder if it's injured.
Well, most likely. He got up pretty slow. Maybe. Look at that tree. How'd that happen? The one that's all shredded? How would that happen? Well, we saw 5 deer so far. Just in this little patch of woods. You can hear traffic all around. This is such a tiny little piece of woods. And we saw 5 deer. That might be all the deer that live in here. Probably not. Probably more. They're very camouflaged. As long as they don't move, you don't even see them. Didn't try to. Oh, we could stop at Stan's.
We already did.
Oh, you didn't get enough. You should have got yourself a snack.
Are we gonna walk back
Get-
the way we walked here?
Could get meat snacks,
We were gonna go through to the park.
but then that's still gonna put us like by the turkey farm. All right, here's the end of that trail. See any deer?
No.
Well, we saw.
That's squirrel.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, that's the brown one's called a fox squirrel. I don't know the name of the black one. Black squirrel, I guess. Hey, look, there's a place for a fire hydrant.
Hey, look, This is the
Or I mean sewer cover.
Is this the cut through here?
This is the cut through.
Okay.
The first time we found this cut through, there was a deer standing right in the middle of it.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off.
Looks like there's more woods that way.
We found some pumpkins.
I see deer.
We found some pumpkin squash things, and we brought them back for the deer.
Because one was down, one of them was limping.
We think the one boy has a hurt leg,
So they were just gonna throw
so
it.
we're gonna bring him a food. You guys said you just saw one?
Yeah,
All the way through over there.
I didn't see him.
I think they're all in here. Still find them.
So we got a, looks like a butternut squash and a gourd.
Here's,
it's like a bowl.
yeah, because someone left them out for the deer, but the deer hadn't found them yet.
You said you saw one? I don't see him.
We're not really close enough. You see it? You can see its white tail walking.
Oh, see its white tail? That might be the same ones we saw.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah, those are the same ones. But the one was injured, so.
So
All right.
which way are we going?
Which way are we going? Park in the middle of nowhere?
All right, we're gonna have to walk faster because we're gonna be gone for a lot longer.